What a beautiful summer day. I love walking in the forest. I think there should be mushrooms somewhere around here.
Luca! We are here! Luca, over here!
Oh, mushrooms! Mushrooms grow in forests. They like shade and wet soil. Ooh, what a beautiful squirrel! Where do you live? Good thing I brought my tent. I need to set it up quickly. Squirrel, where are you? Where did the squirrel go? She will get cold. I wish she would run to me right now. Oh, you came back. I am so happy to see you. We should wait for the rain inside the tent. In the morning, when the rain stops and it is bright again, we will go home. What a beautiful morning! Goodbye, squirrel. See you again.